Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today on my channel, guys, I'm going to show you how I make my mosaic glass candle holders. And what I'm going to use today is an actual candle with the candle holder with the candle already in it. And I'm just going to decorate the outside of this with these glass gems. And I'll be using E6000 glue. So if you guys want to see how that turns out, don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Alright guys, what I have here are my glass gems that are already have dots of glue on them. I like to glue some ahead of time so that I don't have to keep stopping and doing it individually. And again, I'm using the E6000. Alright, so this is the candle holder, the glass candle that I'm going to be using. And I'll just start sticking them in place. And I think I'm going to start from the top. I have this one red, ruby red gem. It's flat. This is like an inch and a half. And I would like to put this to rest this over here, on here somewhere. That would be really nice, especially once the candle burns down to this level and the red shows through. It's really pretty. Oh, by the way, I have this rubber glove around the bottom because sometimes these gems, the weight from the other glass gems weigh down and make the bottom ones loose, like the first row. So I usually tie something around it. It's usually a paper towel, but since this is what I have close by, just use that. I'm going to try it. I think I'm going to put it right here. Yep, I'm going to set it right here. It's a good spot. And this is how it's looking so far, guys. It's getting there. It's getting there. Alright, guys. So at this point, what I'm going to do, because they're going to start falling down, because this is going to get heavy. And this is where I take a wide piece of plastic like this. And I kind of press it a little bit. And before anything gets a chance to fall, I wrap it up. And then I just let it sit and hope that it sets well, that it sets good. and then I'll come back and show you what the end result is. Guys, this is what it's looking like so far. Well, as far as the prep, it's all bound up because I told you that because the glue is still soft, it shifts. The gems will shift from the weight of the glass. So this will be sitting like this for at least an hour. All right, guys, this is the reveal. All right, there it is, all done. And these are the two sizes of the gemstones, and it's the iridescent gems. Okay, guys, so there we are. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up for a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And hello to my new subscribers out there. And welcome back to my current subscribers. I thank you guys for tuning in. And like I said, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And I thank you guys again for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video. Guess what? Wish sent me 2 more packages. I have 1 more package to get. So next video is going to be a Wish haul. Alright, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.